Alright, so aileron, well actually all the wing servo frames are in. I actually had a couple of 6100s already here, so I just got some frames off Neil Stanton at Hyperflight in the UK for these. And that's all gone in well. That was just prepped with marking them out on the skin there, knowing where to put the glue, and 30-minute epoxy with a bit of cotton flock in it. So that was the aileron, and flaps are in as well. So all the pockets are done, all the frames are in, and tomorrow I will work on the control horns and push rods. That's it.